good evening, and how are you doing? A warm welcome to you, and thank you so much for joining me to learn about how you can be amazing at any age, how you can be awesome inside out. I really enjoy being with people who are proactive, ambitious, and who are action takers, and those who know that learning is the best possible way to understand the best practices used by others. When you're aware of certain things, when you know what are the positives and what are the negatives of anything, you become aware of how to make more powerful choices. And your life is about the decisions you take, your life is about the choices you make. So I constantly make people aware by educating them, by giving them clarity, by simplifying medical jargon and making them aware of how they can make better choices, how they can be more aware of certain trending words. Like today's trending word is a medical facial. Many of you have heard this word medical facial, but many of you do not have enough clarity about it. Some of you may not know anything about it, and then there are other people who do know certain things about it, but you are not sure what exactly this means. There are a lot of questions in your mind when it comes to medical facial. So in today's live and in the series of live that is going to happen next week also, I am going to answer all your questions about medical facials. Hi everybody. Hi Sudesh. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to listening to you. I look forward to hearing your questions, answering your questions, and empowering you, because there are so many things we do not know, and because we do not know, we are like a frog in a well. We know only certain things, and we think that only so many options are available. Because of this, which we are making the same choices again and again, not getting enough results, and thinking that possibly nothing is possible. Like a lot of people feel that aging is a part of the physiological process. Yes, it is, but then they kind of surrender to the aging signs. There are a lot of people who are upset about the wrinkles on their face, the crow's feet near the eyes, the puffiness around the eyes, but they feel that nothing really works for them because they do not have enough knowledge about all the options available. Either they do not know about the options available, or they know it but they do not have enough knowledge to take a decision. And when you do not have enough knowledge, you tend to get kind of scared about taking a decision, and then that puts you in inaction. So I love action takers. I am proud of being an action taker myself. In fact, I don't even wait for the right moment to take action. I'm sharing this with you because I will want to tell you that these are the things that have worked for me. These are one of the things, one of the ways of looking at life that has made me constantly grow, constantly evolve, is taking action before you're ready, being okay to make a few mistakes. Because if you wait till you're absolutely ready before you have absolutely all the answers, probably you will be waiting for the rest of your life. So we need to all take action as fast as possible. Of course, we cannot be reckless with our action taking, but we need to get a few questions answered. And when those questions are answered, we need to go ahead and take some action. And sometimes it may even be the wrong action. It is humanly not possible that we always take the right action. Our actions always give us superlative or the right results. Yes, 80% of the time you take right action, and 20% of the time you may make mistakes. As long as you're learning from your mistakes and now taking new actions, every mistake, if you learn from it, I think it is as valuable as a right action. So if you agree with me that a right action is of course valuable, but even a wrong action is valuable provided you learn from it. If you think this is correct, give me a thumbs up. Like, you know that this corona has been thrust on us, the lockdown has been thrust on us. We were not at all prepared for the lockdown, and it has been very hard for so many people, so many industries, so many small and medium entrepreneurs. It's been so scary and it's been so difficult. But despite all of it, as it's 6 months since the corona, and as we have all had to deal with so many challenges, we have learned a lot. I would definitely say that in my 10 years of entrepreneurship, put together, I did not learn as much as this 6 months of working in limited resources, working in so much uncertainty, working against the tide has taught me. So yes, Corona has been something which I would definitely never want anything like this to happen ever again. I would not want anybody to go through such times of uncertainty and such times of pain and all the other inconveniences that has been thrust on us. But having said that, I just want to say that you must go back and reflect what is it that Corona has taught you, and if you go back and reflect, I am sure that it has taught you a lot. So this was just about the warm-up. So I think in my conversations I will also talk about the attitudes that make you successful, because the attitudes that make you successful also make you healthy. You need some successful habits to be healthy, and being healthy is about having more successful habits. So that is the reason I am also sharing some mindsets with you rather than overcomplicating. That sentence was a little overcomplicated, but what I mean to say is I'm just sharing some mindsets with you, because these mindsets are also required. So looking beautiful, being healthy, being the best version of yourself is not just about a few products, is not just about spending a few rupees, it's also about the right mindset. So we will also think about what is it in our mindset that is not allowing us to be the best version of ourselves. We also need to ask that question. So hi Keval, nice to see you here. So today's topic is a medical facial. A medical facial can also be called a laser facial. So medical facial is a very broad based term. Sorry about this. But if I call it a laser facial, probably something rings a bell. Everybody has heard about a laser. Some of you have enough clarity about a laser, and some of you have questions about a laser. So keep your questions coming about medical facials, about laser facials. I am going to share what I think most common questions that people come to me with. But if your questions come up, you can write in the comments and I will answer them towards the end. We have 15 more minutes to go. I will be sharing some things that you will be amazed to hear about in these 15 minutes, and in the end I will answer one or two most relevant questions. Also, you can write to me on, you can go to my website, which is www.skinsense.co.in, and you can write to me, and when you write to me, I will personally ensure that I answer the questions that come up to your mind. So medical facial is not a salon facial. That's the first thing you need to realize, that a salon facial has totally different steps and a medical facial has totally different steps. So let me tell you the difference between a salon facial and a medical facial. So first and foremost, a salon facial is a quick fix. By a quick fix, I mean a salon facial is aimed at removing some kind of damage and adding some product which gives you fairness, which gives you glow, which gives you freshness. You go into a salon probably feeling that I'm not looking very good. You have a facial, you enjoy a facial, and you come out of that facial looking a little fresher or a lot fresher. Your tan is gone, you're looking probably much fairer, there's a glow on your face. So salon facial gives you something like an instant gratification, but it's a very superficial thing that doesn't last. So salon facial is like applying a layer of something which makes kind of invisibly coats the top layer of the skin, and this top layer of the skin is covered with a thin coating, and this thin coating adds more glow, adds more freshness, and adds more radiance to your skin. But yes, I would agree that a salon facial has its own merits, because an extremely relaxing procedure. Also, we are all human beings and we need not totally run away from instant gratification. Instant gratification is a good thing. Yes, you heard it right. Instant gratification is a good thing, but it needs to be taken in small doses. So you can't base your entire life, you can't base your entire success, you can't say that instant gratification is the only way I will live, because instant gratification will take you nowhere. But at the same time, you need not keep beating yourself, you need not be too hard on yourself, and you need not say that I can wait for the rest of my life to get results. I can work very hard to get results. No pain, no gain. You need not even have that approach, and you need not totally run away from instant gratification. So back to salon facials, something like an instant gratification, not a bad thing at all. But if you're looking at transformational results, a salon facial will never be able to give you that, because a salon facial works only on the top layer of your skin, the topmost layer of your skin, which is just a dead layer of the skin, which has no capacity to rejuvenate, the layer which is known as the epidermis of the skin. The epidermis of the skin can be compared to the fruit on a tree. So by polishing the fruit on the tree, by nurturing directly the fruit on the tree, by applying some kind of things that make fruit on the tree glossy or glisten, it may be a pleasant sight to watch, but it's not going to improve the nourishment of the fruit by applying something on the fruit. It's not going to improve the taste of the fruit by applying something on the fruit. You want wonderful changes in the fruit, you want transformational changes in the fruit, you have to go work on the root. That is exactly what a medical facial does. So a salon facial works on the epidermis, which is like directly working on the fruit, whereas a medical facial works on the dermis, which is the lower layer or the deeper layer of the skin. It can be called the root of the skin. Like we have the shaft of the hair and we have the root of the hair. So a medical facial is going to work on the root of the skin, like we often talk about working on the root of the hair. And because it works on the root of the skin, the results are not as fast as a salon facial. The gratification doesn't come that instantly, but at the same time there is a definite transformational change, because it is so definite that if you work on the roots and if you work right on the roots, you will be able to get a phenomenal difference in the quality of the fruit. So choose to work on your dermis, choose to improve the health of your dermis, and by improving the health of your dermis, a automatic byproduct will be that you will get very good changes. You will get the desired changes in the epidermis. What you can see is the top layer or the epidermis of the skin, but what your epidermis looks like, what your epidermis behaves like, is determined by the quality of the dermis. So a salon facial works directly on the epidermis. So yes, you may get a gratification, but that's just a quick fix and that's not long lasting at all. Whereas a medical facial goes into the dermis, and because it goes into the dermis, it creates better cells for the epidermis, and at the core you have better cells. So your epidermis just doesn't look good, it is actually good. It's actually a healthier dermis that the epidermis has created. I hope this gave you some kind of clarity on the difference between the two. If it's getting too overwhelming, we just have to realize that directly working on the fruit, do you want to do that, or do you think it's a better idea to work on the root, and through working on the root get benefits on the fruit? So it may be a slightly longer procedure, but you're okay with that procedure. Now the second thing is that the medical facial is totally standardized, it's globally proven, it is clinically proven. So if a medical facial promises to give you certain kind of results, it is but for a fact, it is sure that it will give you those results. So results may vary from person to person. Somebody may get a 70% result and somebody may get a 80% result. So that 10% difference in the margin will remain. But other than that, when you use a medical facial, you are sure to get results unless you have a severe hormonal problem or unless you are not compliant at all. When I say not compliant at all, I mean unless you're not taking care of your skin, unless you're not following the precautions given to you, you are sure to get results with a medical facial, because it has been proven in so many countries. There are clinical test papers which say that it works. There is a physiological study, there is a cross section of the skin taken, and the changes in the dermis have been studied before a medical facial has been given US FDA approval for both safety and efficacy. So with a medical facial, the results are much more certain. They are not only much more long lasting, they are also much more certain because of the standardization of the protocol. And those of you who have been to a salon for a facial, you know that a salon has absolutely unstandardized steps. And even if you're going to 4 different salons, they will have their own steps. They more focus on the relaxation, they more focus on the experience that the client gets, which I agree is very important, because in the passing times, even the laser machines have become virtually painless, because we all realize that the no pain no gain philosophy probably is not entirely true. Yes, in certain areas you have to pay the price for whatever you want in life, but it's not always true. The life has a lot of magic, and mankind is constantly striving to bring down the pain and to get more gain. So less effort and more rewards is something we are all striving, and that's what we want to create in a new world. That's what we want to create in the world. And yes, medical science has managed to create that. So the newer lasers are virtually painless. They may just have a pricking sensation which is totally bearable, but the results are transformational. And then the protocol that is followed in the lasers is very simple. It is absolutely standardized. So if you're going for a standard clinic and a standard laser machine, there are studies, there are protocols, there are steps that are going to be followed. And because these protocols are well studied, these steps are well studied, and the outcome of the step is well studied, people generally get incredible results. I think 90% of the people who go for these medical facials can be told right in the beginning of the session what to expect, when to expect, how many sessions will they need, and they can take photographs and they can see that this transformation happens through the medical facials, and the doctor can kind of guarantee this happening with a difference of maybe a 10%, which is a person to person variation, but otherwise results for each and every person is sure and guaranteed, because it is clinically proven, which may not happen in a salon facial. A salon facial will guarantee your relaxation, a salon facial will guarantee your feel good, but if a salon facial will be able to guarantee incredible results every single time, we never know that, because the process is not standardized at all. Now, before, there is so much to talk about the medical facial, and that is the reason why SkinSense wants you to experience a medical facial. So if you have been following SkinSense on YouTube, yes, we have a YouTube channel where we share one video every day. That is at least 4 videos every week. And these videos are videos which empower you with the right knowledge, and the right knowledge will let you take actions more powerfully. The right knowledge will make you aware of more possibilities that exist, and if more possibilities exist, more choices exist, how much more beautiful life will be. So I want you to go have a look at my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Dr. Shweta Iyengar. I'm the founder and thought leader of SkinSense. SkinSense is an aesthetic clinic, and SkinSense promises you amazing skin, amazing hair, amazing body shape at any age. And we use US FDA approved devices to create this. We use the best practices all over the world. I have been helping men and women be the best version of themselves for the past 11 years. And in this 11 years of experience, I have interacted with so many different kind of men and women. I am aware of all the challenges, different age groups, different socio-economic status, living in different parts of the world. I am aware of the challenges that they have, and what are the challenges that do not allow them to be the best version of themselves. And because of these over a decade of experiences and knowing these challenges, I am able to help people a lot, because I have thought about the easiest solution to all these challenges. So if you are somebody who wants to go ahead and take action, but you feel that you're not able to take action because of certain reasons, like maybe the time constraint could be one of the reason, where you live could be one of the reason, your budget could be one of the reason, worry not, I have all this sorted for you. So if you want to be the best version of yourself, you're looking at a solution for a problem, feel free to write to me. You can look up my email address on my website, which is www.skinsense.co.in. and you can write to me and I will personally answer your question for you. So all it takes is spending some time and having the courage to ask a question without judging yourself and feeling that this question may be very silly. Maybe if there is a question in your mind and if I answer you and you're absolutely happy that wow, you never even thought there could be such an interesting answer to that question and there could be such an interesting possibility. Ask a lot of questions, boys and girls. It could actually change your life. In fact, today I'm in a mood of sharing a lot of personal success habits. So one more success habit which I have had as a child also, and it continues till now, is to ask a lot of meaningful questions, is to get a lot of answers from a lot of people, a lot of perspectives from a lot of people. Rather than saying nothing works or nothing else is possible, I have constantly kept asking what else is possible, who knows things that I may not know about. So I definitely, with my 10 plus years of experience, with all my international travel, with all my international learnings, with all the conferences I have attended, with all the men and women of different ages and from different parts of the world that I have served, I definitely know answers to a thing or two more than you. So anywhere in the area of healthy skin, healthy hair, or a healthy body shape, if you are getting stuck and the options that are presented to you seem not good enough for you, you're looking for something that totally fits you and that is fun and easy, write to me and ask me if it is possible. There is a very good chance that I might have a solution for you. So in the last 10 minutes, I'm going back to talking about what is the device that is used in a medical facial. Like I said right in the beginning of the conversation, that if we start talking about a medical facial, we will probably need 3 hours because it's very vast. A medical facial is a very top end term, and under which we will be talking about a photo facial, a Q-switch facial, a Viva facial, a radio frequency facial, a peel is a medical facial. I'm sorry if I'm overwhelming you, but this topic is a little too vast. But this is an introduction to the medical facial, and I want to tell you something that might surprise you, especially if you haven't heard it before. So a medical facial, unlike a salon facial, does not use any products at all. A salon facial uses a cleanser and a scrub and a gel and a cream and a pack and a I don't know what all. But a medical facial uses only energy. And it is through using this energy that it penetrates into the dermis, which is the root of the skin. And because the energy penetrates into the root of the skin, the energy can change the oxygenation, the circulation and the lymphatic drainage of the skin, of the root of the skin. And if the oxygenation, circulation and the lymphatic drainage of the skin is changed, the skin becomes much healthier. The skin is able to rejuvenate much better. The quality of the cells that your body is producing are much younger, much stronger and much better looking. So how incredible is that? Going to the root of the skin, changing what really matters, enhancing what really matters, and creating such a good environment that the new cells which are born, we all know that cells have a life. Cells are being born every day, cells are dying every day. So if we are able to give the right environment in which the number of cells and the quality of the cells are awesome, what could be better than that? Yes, so you could not have a better solution. In fact, I call it a medical miracle, because I would rather grow my own cells. I would rather provide an environment where my cells can be the best version of themselves, rather than using products, whether they be synthetic products or they be organic products. I wouldn't want to dunk my skin in products and force it to look good. I would definitely want to have a healthier dermis which produces a good quality of cells. Do you agree with me? If you agree with me, just give me a thumbs up and ask me that, pamper me with a medical facial. Let me experience a medical facial. You might have heard about ask and it shall be given. Probably you've been thinking about a medical facial on and off. Whenever you hear something, whenever you see a before after transformation, it just comes to your mind that what could this be? But you have never walked into a clinic, an aesthetic clinic, asking about a medical facial because you have too many questions, or you think it is too expensive, or you have reasonably good skin and you think maybe it is not for you. This conversation is just to open up your mind. In fact, one of the reasons I have these live conversations is to open up your mind to a lot of new questions, and I am open to answering all those questions for you. I am open to give you clarity. It's not just about this conversation that our relationship is. Our relationship is, it is a beginning. This conversation is just a beginning. And if you want more clarity about anything that has been discussed in this conversation, all you need to do is to go to my website, to look at my email ID, and to write to me. And do you know, we also have free telephonic consultations at SkinSense, which are done by a SkinSense doctor. All you need to go is to fill the form and say, I want telephonic consultation. Yes, it's absolutely free. It is a 15-minute conversation between you and your doctor, before which you will have a structured questionnaire so that we know exactly what is your skin type, what is your general health, what is your age, your lifestyle, and your challenges. And in that 15 minutes, we will be able to add a lot of value to you. So if you haven't experienced a free telephonic consultation at SkinSense, you must, and you must ask the SkinSense doctor which medical facial will be right for you, because the magic of energy based devices and what they could do to your skin is like the first time you experience it and the first time you see that everything that was used in the facial was just beams of light. Nothing other than beams of light were used to rejuvenate your skin. And before, when you enter the room and you feel that your skin doesn't have that brilliant, radiance, and then just beams of light are used, and after that light is passed into your skin, you see that your skin has got back its natural radiance. It seems like quite a miracle. But yes, it is science. We know that when we go out in the sun causes us to tan. So if I spend like 3 hours in the hot sun, I am going to tan, and nothing else except the sunlight has touched my skin. So if light can increase the melanin on my skin, a different nanometer of light can also cut the melanin in my skin. So it's pretty simple. We've just not thought about it so much. When we talk about lasers and we think that lasers is something very complex, no, it's not complex. Yes, it's very smart, but it is definitely not complex. Laser is just another name for light. Light has a multi-spectrum, but laser has just a specific nanometer of light. I will be talking about lasers, what is a laser, and what different kind of lasers are available in the market, what you need to know about lasers, and what you think about lasers that may not be true. Yes, I'm going to be talking all about this on Tuesday. So I will be back on Tuesday at 9 o'clock. I think we've just started the conversation about medical facials, and you will have a lot of questions in mind. So start asking me those questions. Tell me the takeaway from your session. So those of you who write a takeaway from the session or the biggest learning from my live sessions, every live session, one person, one lucky winner gets a gift of rupees 9,999 from SkinSense. And this gifts are for people who live anywhere in the world. If you do not live close by to Mumbai, SkinSense is in Mumbai, we can still send the gift across to wherever you live. So participate in the contest. Participating in the contest just is not going to win you a gift. It's going to give you much more than that, because active learning definitely is life transforming. When you actively learn, when you participate in the learning, when you take down notes, when you ask questions, when you share your learnings in a public forum, the chances of you taking action on that learning increase multifold. And no prizes for guessing that. Only action takers get the results that they desire and they deserve. So thank you so much for listening to me. Before I end the conversation, happy Diwali to all of you. I wish a very, very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year that comes along with Diwali. Health for you and your family. Of course, wellness at a cellular level. I wish you that every cell of yours should be healthy, energetic, enthusiastic, and I wish radiance and beauty for you. I also want to tell you that this is a gift. These live sessions, which are from me to you, are about clarifying and helping you take action So I feel happy with this live sessions, and I feel like this is a tiny gift that I give to you, but I have many bigger gifts in store. And one of the big gifts you can get is you can experience a medical facial which otherwise costs rupees 2500 rupees absolutely for free. These medical facials are effective. There are different kind of medical facials. Yes, in medicine there is no one size fits all, and anyways what will help you will depend on your skin type, your needs, desires and problems. So for anybody from the age of 16 to the age of 80, if you think you are proactive, ambitious and you believe in investing in having healthy skin and healthy hair, I just want you to invest some time in writing to me and asking me how you can get your free medical facial at SkinSense. Once you write to me, my team will help you take the next step. I am looking forward to personally meet you, and SkinSense is looking forward to pamper you with a transformational medical facial. Thank you so much for being here. Yet again, festive greetings to one and all. I will see you soon. So on Tuesday, we are going to talk about lasers. Keep your pens and papers ready. Keep your questions ready. And that is going to be another conversation which will open up so many possibilities for you. Thank you very much and good night, everybody. I don't know how to switch this off.